In this video, I'll show you how I set up my own micro photography studio in my home office. It's super easy, it's not going to break the bank, and at the end of it you're going to be able to take professional looking photography of any product you want. As a professional illustrator, getting great product photography of my prints is really important. It's always felt like a dark art and something that someone else should do for me. But actually just using a few products you can buy online, you can create your own backdrop and make your own little mini studio. Using some hooks, a broom handle and some paper, I've managed to create my own backdrop for photography. Okay, so I'm going to put it up onto the wall now. I'll probably speed through this just to save you from looking at my bum. So once you've put the hooks up on the wall, the next thing to do is to thread the paper onto the broom handle and then hang that onto the hooks. And just like that, you've created a backdrop that can be easily rolled away and out when you need it. And now it's really just about getting creative. The only other things you need is a smartphone and a light source. I use an LED light just because my room's really dark, but actually a good window will do you a lot of favours. But you don't have to have it as a white background. It could easily be pink, blue, any colour you want. It just depends on what paper you buy. If you've enjoyed this video, please click that subscribe button and leave a like. Ask any questions you want in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. And also, I'm going to be building this channel up over the next few months, so do make sure you check back for any future content. Till next time, cheers!